How Koilantex does professional planting.
So the first thing you are going to do, move the mulch out. Go ahead and put your hole twice as wide, twice as deep. Verify the plant sits slightly over the top of the soil line. Take good fresh mixed soil, put it on bottom, level it out, press it down. Take your plant, put your fingers around it, tip it over, press the top down. You should be able to hold the plant in. You see how these roots, they're really compacted in there? Take your fingers, break it up slightly, just really light. Tip the plant over, verify the plant is still sitting slightly over the current soil line. Take the pot of fresh mixed soil, mix it in all sides. Put it in on all sides. Once it's about a third of the way full, press your fingers, compact that soil in. Go ahead and grab some more good soil, fill it up another third. Press that on in. Press it in, nice and firm. The whole time we're watching the plant. We aren't messing the plant up. We aren't manhandling it. Nice and easy. With the last bit, you just want to fill up that top layer. Just put some around, level it all out. Cool. The whole time you are checking that the plant is sitting up and straight. It's not leaned over left or right. Once it's all good, check the drip line that's coming to the plant. Once the drip line is good, go to move the mulch back around. All good.